Hey you, and welcome to this video where I help you out how to use the Sailo app to book your dream boat in minutes. And for this we go to the search destination and we want the duration on a full day. So click on apply. We want to book with 6 guests and then search destination Miami. So we search for Miami and click on Miami. Then right now he will give us some nice boats, and let's look for a big good looking boat. So let's say the Sail Ride from South Beach. Now we click on that, and then right now you find here all the details, and then right now if you click here on book, we can select here the pick date. So let's say we want to pick up on Friday, apply. Now right now we can select quarter day, half a day or full day. So select full day and then do apply. And then right now you see here the boat price, service fee, captain price and an add-ons, but that's for now not important. We click on continue. Now the fuel charge is 100 per booking, marina fee is fine and captain fee is also fine, so click on checkout. And then right now you will see here all the details. Now from Friday to Friday, you see here the boat price, captain price, the add-ons and service fee. Fill in your phone number, fill in your credit card, and then you can message the owner if you want to bring some Dom Perions or something to the boat, or if you have something that you want to have on the boat. Now, then select on I agree the cancellation policy and I'm at least 18 years old, but also read the cancellation policy because full refund if renter cancels 6 days or more before the trip. So when you cancel it 5 days before, the money is gone. So right now we click on submit booking, do the following steps to pay, and then after this you book your dream boat in just 2 minutes. So this is exactly how this works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.